Hi, Kabunings and Mom. Today we're trying the viral Mochi Dubai.
Mochi, chewy.
Chewy Mochi Dubai.
Chewy Dubai chocolate.
I'm gonna.
Dali. Oh, I think this one. Open it. I think this one went. Ooh, look at that.
Look at mine.
Wow. Let's see. Ang hirap daw ito gawin, sabi ni ate. Ooh. Ooh.
Mom.
Mmm.
Ano yung nilagay
Mm.
niya? Talagang chocolate and Dubai.
No, you have to open it like that. Kanafi.
Bikin na.
Sarap. Open it. There's marshmallow. Yun, pakita mo. Yung inside. Ooh. You like it? I like it. Sarap.
Magkano ba yan?
$6.
Oh my God. 300?
Kay ate naman eh. Ang hirap daw kasi gawin. Tapos binilibre niya ako isa. Sarap. Gusto mo pa, mama?
Hindi
Wait.
ka isa, pumatak na lang na ano. Ilang binili mo?
Dalawa.
Patak lang ng tag $2.
Mhm.
Ayan. 12. 3.
$4. Sarap! Walang... Ay, mamo! Ang mahal niyan. Walang keme. Masarap siya. Miko, you want it pa?
Yeah.
Namatay niya. Mati tayo.
This is marshmallow.
Oh my God, sarap. So good. Worth it, $6 each.
Just mine.
Ah, that's yours.
Who do you think it was?
Nabos mo na, mamo? Nabos na ni mamo. Wala na ako.
Sabi mo, hati tayo. Di kinain ko na.
Thank you, Kabaneng, for watching. Pakita mo na sa'yo.
Bye.
Panya ko, pakagat. Pakagat. Mmm.